Burnout doesn't just drain your energy. Sometimes it damages your confidence too. You start questioning yourself and your decisions, your abilities, your future, and eventually, you stop trusting yourself. If that sounds familiar, this video is for you. One of the hardest parts of burnout is what it does to your self-belief. When things fall apart, it's easy to assume, maybe I'm not capable. Maybe I'm not disciplined enough. Maybe everyone else is stronger than me. But difficult seasons distort perception. They make temporary struggles feel permanent. They make setbacks feel like identity. They make mistakes feel like proof. But none of those things are true. A difficult season does not define who you are. Neither does a setback. Neither does burnout. Trust isn't rebuilt through perfection. Trust is rebuilt through small promises. Promises like, I'll take care of myself today. I'll try again tomorrow. I'll keep showing up. I'll be patient with myself. Every time you keep one of those promises, confidence grows. Slowly, quietly, consistently. That's how self-trust returns. You do not need to become a completely different person. You simply need to remember who you were before exhaustion convinced you otherwise. Breathe. You're more capable than you feel.